USB drive not working, corrupted, or not showing correctly in Windows 10, here's a fast way to completely reset and recreate it using Command Prompt. Hi everyone, and welcome back to the CNATT channel. To recreate a USB drive partition, plug in your USB flash drive. Open the Start menu or press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow changes. Now, we'll use DiskPart to manage the USB drive. In the Command Prompt window, type DiskPart and press Enter. This opens DiskPart, a built-in utility for managing disks and partitions. To view all connected drives, type List space Disk. Locate your USB drive by checking its size. For example, it might appear as Disk 2. Next, select the USB drive. Type Select space Disk space 2. Replace 2 with your actual disk number. This tells DiskPart which drive you want to modify. Warning! Make sure you select the correct disk. Choosing the wrong disk will erase all its data. To delete all existing partitions, type Clean. This removes all partitions and makes the disk unallocated. Now create a new partition. Type Create space Partition space Primary. This creates a primary partition using the full capacity of the drive. Next, format the partition. Type Format space FS equals NTFS space Quick. Use NTFS for Windows only use. Use exFAT for compatibility with multiple devices, including macOS. Use FAT32 for older devices with a 4 GB file size limit. Note, Windows built-in tools typically cannot format drives larger than 32 GB as FAT32. Now, assign a drive letter. Type Assign. Windows will automatically assign an available letter. To assign a specific letter manually, type Assign space letter equals Y. Replace Y with any unused letter. Finally, exit DiskPart. Type Exit. Your USB drive is now ready with a new partition. This is just one quick method. If you want a more detailed explanation, these steps are covered in greater depth in the full tutorial video. We also show you how to perform the same process using disk management. Click or tap the video on the screen or use the link in the description or pinned comment to watch the full tutorial.